Welcome to today's podcast. We will focus on the connection between technology and history. There is often a challenge in modernizing lighting in protected heritage areas such as historic centers or castles without detracting from their unique character.
Let's look at one specific example, the renovation of the lighting at Špilberk Castle in Brno. The goal was to combine modern technology with the protection of our cultural heritage. IQRF wireless technology was used here.
We have an article here, an IQRF Alliance case study that highlights the key role of reducing costs and simplifying lighting management in this valuable location, and that without digging or interfering with the monument's walls. Isn't a wireless solution in such massive walls as those in castles more prone to problems and interference?
That's a good question. But this is where IQRF technology scores. It is designed for reliability even in demanding conditions. It operates on a mesh network principle. This means that individual lights or other devices pass the signal to each other gradually, and there are usually several different paths that serve as a backup in case of interference.
So it overcomes obstacles, and even thick walls are no problem.
It works even where conventional wireless networks, such as Wi-Fi, would have great difficulty. Due to its lower radio frequency, IQRF passes through or reflects off obstacles. In addition, it is extremely energy efficient, and the control modules, the controllers, are small and can be hidden directly in the historic light fixtures.
So, no new cables, no cutting into walls.
Nothing at all. It fully respects heritage protection and is not invasive.
Let's look at an example of the use of IQRF technology in the lighting of Špilberk Castle in Brno. Datmalux carried out the renovation. How did it work in practice?
Špilberk is a great example. There, they replaced old, energy-intensive lights with new, modern LED lights, and those were already controllable via the IQRF network.
And the result? It's exciting. The number of spotlights actually increased from 70 to 96. But wait, the total power consumption dropped by an incredible 44%.
From the original 18 kilowatts to less than 13 kilowatts. Everything was installed in the original holders without a single meter of new cabling.
And what did the preservationists say?
They were satisfied precisely because nothing was altered.
The total return on investment was calculated at 4 years. That's quite fast for heritage renovations.
Exactly. It's lightning fast. And mind you, it's not just about energy savings. A large part of it is also savings on mobile lighting rentals. They used to have to rent it for various events, but now they don't need it. And that alone saves them about £1,000,000 a year. Add to that a significantly lower failure rate, and the system can report most faults on its own.
So maintenance is easier too, and let's not forget the aesthetics. The new colorful lighting design has taken the overall impression of the monument to a whole new level. That was also very positively received.
In addition to the savings and appearance, I was also impressed by the speed. 4 months from the announcement of the competition to full operation. That sounds almost unbelievable for a monument.
It was fast.
How is it controlled?
The system at Špilberk is connected to the central control system of the city of Brno. It integrates various city technologies and enables remote lighting control. Dimming and lighting can be triggered using multiple preset lighting scenes for special occasions such as public holidays or other events.
There is enormous flexibility in this. Of course, they monitor traffic and consumption. In addition, IQRF is resistant to interference. Communication is encrypted, so it is secure, and the system can be easily expanded in the future to include sensors for air quality, noise, or even parking lot occupancy in the area. And the speed of installation was due to the wireless network. There was no need for complicated, expensive, and time-consuming cabling work.
Heritage managers have gained precise control over energy consumption and can plan maintenance before something actually fails. So, technology and heritage protection don't have to be at odds.
On the contrary, this is a great example of how smart technology, such as IQRF, can add intelligence and efficiency even where we couldn't have imagined it before.
Modern wireless technology, especially the Czech IQRF technology, can not only save money and energy, but can also be used very sensitively in historically valuable places to improve them without disturbing their essence. Thank you for your attention, and tune in again for our next podcast.